Hey guys, my name is Rohan and I'm a PDM Specialist here at Design Point. If you recognize me, you've probably evaluated PDM in some way, shape, or form for your business. If you don't know who I am, but you want to know more about how PDM can help you, click the link below and find out more on our website. So for those of you who do have PDM, you're the ones I actually want to talk to today. I've done quite a few implementations here at Design Point, and the ones that stick out the most are the ones who choose PDM Standard. Now I understand you're getting into it and you want to use the software and get to learn it. But for those of you who decide to stick with PDM Standard for an extended period of time, honestly, I feel like you're just settling. Let me tell you why you should upgrade to PDM Professional, and I have 3 good reasons why. Number 1, automation. PDM Professional can automate a wide variety of things that PDM Standard just simply cannot. For example, serial numbers. These could be for your part numbers, your projects, your drawing numbers. All those can be automatically generated. Number 2, replication. If your business is expanding and expanding globally, you want to make sure that your colleagues in different countries can access the same data you are. So what PDM Professional can offer you is replication. So we can replicate your servers so your colleagues in the other countries can access that same data and you don't have to worry about VPNs or anything like that. And number 3, we're going to talk about how it has multiple workflows. I know that a common gripe with PDM Standard is that you're limited to just 10 states, and it can be really, really risky to say that if we need another level of approval, can we burn that extra state? PDM Professional, you don't even have to worry about that. You can have as many workflows as you want and as many states as you want. You can be as granular with your approval process and let your imagination run wild. So that's why I think you should upgrade to PDM Professional.